What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be working on a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.9. We're going to be replacing the K cylinder, and so this is the one that I have, part number 924793, ignition lock cylinder, doorman, and so this one so the thing with this is that you can reuse your same key. You don't have to get a new key, and if it has a chip, you don't have to program it. I don't know if mine has a chip, but I just get it just so I can have just one key, just in case that it has a chip. So it's it tells you the instructions on this cylinder, and it also has, so it is called a self-coating ignition lock cylinder, and it also tells you the instructions on how to remove it on your vehicle. So let's go ahead and start. So a few days back, this happened. So they broke in my shop, and they took some stuff, some tools, and they wanted to take my truck, but so here's the other piece. But luckily, I don't know if it was because of the chip or because I had disconnected a sensor in the injection pump. Because you can start the truck, it'll run, but it'll die. And you can try with several keys, it'll die. And with my key, it didn't die. I mean, it'll run for about 5 seconds, and it'll die with screwdriver with the key, another key. And with my key, it didn't die. But then I connected the sensor, and then it was running normal. Then I brought it home. So I don't know. Okay, so let's start with removing steering column covers out of these plastics, and so we can go ahead and make the new key, or install the new cylinder key. Okay, so you're gonna have 2 screws here, which is a Torx T20. Let me see. So it's a Torx T20, and then you have one here, which is also a T20. Okay, now it should be ready to remove. There you go. So if yours isn't like mine, then you're gonna need your key. Before you do this, disconnect the batteries. In this case, it has 2 batteries. Disconnect both of them because you're gonna have to put the key to the run position. So you insert the key. Okay. Now it should be a run position. Okay, so as you see, insert your key, put it to run position, and act like if you're going to start the car. And then there's a small hole. I'll show you. Small hole here. Turn it to a run position. Insert a screwdriver or something that fits in that hole. So you can move this little lock. Once you move it, use this little lock. This lock. Once you push it, you can slide out this key cylinder. In this case, since I don't have my key, I have to use some pliers to pull it out. That way you can now you can remove your key. So now we're gonna insert the key to the self-coating key cylinder. Okay, so it says step 1, insert the vehicle key. Check that the key is fully seated in the lock cylinder. So we have to make sure that the key is all the way in. So it has to be all the way in. Okay. There it is. You will feel like it's stuck, but you should keep going until you see just a little bit of key. Okay. Now, step 2. Swiftly rotate the key clockwise 1 turn. Ratcheting will occur during the coding operation. Okay, so we have cylinder like this, and we're going to turn it clockwise 1 turn. Should hit the ratcheting. Okay. Now, step 3. Okay, now it says rotate the key counterclockwise 1 turn. If unable to rotate counterclockwise to start step 4, repeat step 2. Okay, so now we're gonna go counterclockwise. Okay. Now step 4. The coated lock cylinder and key will be released from the tool. It didn't did it at first, but then I tried a second time and then it worked. Okay. Okay, so now we need the tumbler shell. Remove the cap. Go ahead and insert it. Lock cylinder. Okay, so as you see, there's only one way that the key will go in. Now be careful not to lose these small pieces. Now it should be ready to go in ignition. you're gonna have to move the key to the run position in order to move the lock. So you just got to move it around, see where the lock moves. So here we go. It's kind of hard, but you know, it's not like the original one. Now you can connect your batteries and try it out. But in my case, I'm gonna have to charge them. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and then we can try it. And there you have it, guys. Now it's ready. I'm just gonna charge the batteries because I don't know, somehow they've been draining out. I guess I need to replace them. Thanks a lot for watching. So I'm gonna put the link on the description. I got it off from Amazon. That way you can check it out. I don't know if there's available. I'm pretty sure there's available for any car, the self-decoding. But if you don't mind getting a new key, or you don't have the chip, it wasn't that much of a difference. It was just like $3 of a difference. So I just rather get the same key. I don't want to get too many keys. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and hope you have a great day.